Today we talk about how can you add tags on your Waplog app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you come here to add tags, just click on it here. So then here add your tags in this list on your Waplog app. Then you click here on done, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.